And we're off. Hello, everyone, my scruffy friends. I was so excited last night to get home and open some happy mail from the lovely Kathleen Wilson. Ooh, what is that? Flipping around. We'll flip it over there out of the way. I wanted to share because I've never seen anything quite like this. So here we go. She said she'd made me a traveller's notebook. And I guess it's a traveller's notebook, but to me it's a cross between a traveller's notebook and a junk journal, and I just love it. Look, look, look. It's beautiful. And I sent her some wax seals and she's popped one on here as well. But just the detail and the texture is amazing. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but look at the detail of the stitching. It's gorgeous. But I'm going to find a use for it. And it's very special because she has made it into, she's added little tags and some goodies. But this is a pocket that she's sewn in, a vellum pocket that she's sewn in. I was gobsmacked when I received it because I cannot, look at that. It's part of the book. I can't make this sort of thing. I love that card, by the way. So to get something like this, so individual and so different, I don't know, I just love it. I just think it's a wonderful cross between a junk journal and a traveller's notebook. These are little pockets, but this is sewn in. Gorgeous goodies too. Look at the little girl. Anyway, yeah, there's lots and lots and lots of goodies, but that's not so much as what I wanted to share is the way that she's constructed this little book. I think it's amazing. So for you out there, if you haven't thought of doing something like this before, this is part of it. Gorgeous illustration. I just thought this is part of it, little vellum flippy floppy thing. This is sewn in, so there's a pocket behind there, and then this is also a pocket here. I just think it's wonderful. That's not sewn in, but of course it can. So there's an idea, completely made by hand. She's stapled it and she's stitched it, so there's no way it's going to come apart. And I love it. I just adore it. The other thing she has done, which I've never seen before, and I'm sure that they're around, I don't know. She called it a do-it-yourself tag, happy mail. So once again, she's used some of that. I can't show you because when I get up close, I hit the camera and then it goes everywhere. But look, it's just, I just want to smell it and touch it and feel it. So this one is do-it-yourself tags. So she's included everything that she thinks I could use or would use in making tags or whatever I want to, I presume. Love those. Divine. I wish I was that careful with my scrapping. I'm just not. I'm just not. And this is a little package with tags and bits and pieces to make up. I love that trim. And I'm not even a trim person, but look. Squeal. So, yeah. So this is a little booklet. She's added little clear plastic pockets. It's all part of the booklet. I could almost reuse the booklet for somebody else. And then added bits that she thinks would be, oh, look at these. I think they're bought, but I think they're homemade, but they just look, and look at this stuff on, oh. Anyway, as you can see, I'm rather pleased. I could never do this in a million years. My sewing machine and I aren't friends. We don't like each other at all. So lots of goodies, even a little stencil. Gorgeous. And pockets. And yeah, and I just think it's a wonderfully marvellous idea. Am I waxing lyrical? Am I waxing lyrical? Yes, I am, because I love it. I probably could never do it myself. Love that girl too. And even the rings. It's just a marvellous idea. More stitching. She's the queen of using stitching. Yeah, I just think it's amazing. But I might cheat and use this idea in some happy mail because I really like it. Anyway, she sent me a whole lot of other things too, including, I'll just show you quickly, a flow book. Yes, I've gone through it and I've tagged it with what I want to do with it. And like she said, it is used. She has used some of it, but do I care? There's so much else left. So, yeah, it was a very happy mail. I hope this has maybe given you some ideas on things to do. And thanks for looking. Okay. Super excited. Need to go and create now. Okay, bye-bye.